I'm gonna try to record some of this and give you an idea how this software works. As you can see, we have a target here. We are our position. We're short one. This is a target that's set up by the computer, by the software. Hopefully, it'll get taken for you so you can see it. I will be stopping and starting this recording because of time. I just want to save time so this way just makes it easy to look at and easy to prepare for the link in the hard and the software setup. But basically, what we have here is this is the this is TradeStation platform, as you can see here. Right now it's 23 or 4 minutes after 7 in the morning, and you just heard and you saw that that target was filled. What's going to happen here is this is the software that I put together. These are resistance lines. These are R1s, R2, R3, R4, and you just see how the software set up its next at R2 or R3. It set up its a sell order, which we're going to be selling into resistance. It just changed that order to a lower level. The price broke below a lower level, so now this is the next resistance level. You can see how it automatically changed the order from R3 to R2. Hopefully we'll get taken and you'll see how it sets up the targets. There you go. This is real time. This is how it happens. All right, we just got taken. Here you have -10, so our position is we're short 10. This is where our, I guess, how much money we've made so far for the day in a closed position. This is our open position, how it stands. And this is the cumulative between the two. So we have our one target set up so far. There we go. It takes time. There's a calculation, there's a time lag for the software. It's just something we have to deal with TradeStation. But as you can see, it should take this 6. It sets it up in targets of 6 contracts, 3 contracts, and 1 contract. So these things flip around. But the important thing here is if these contracts are not taken, not like they are now, our next, and it gets up to level 3, we are going to be selling 18 contracts. That's part of the software. It calculates our targets, where we want our targets to be, and adds the appropriate amount of contracts to our position. I'd like to see that 6 get taken for demonstration purposes, and this 18 at level 2, at level 3, will change to a lower number because we have less contracts to average in and to set up our future targets if it gets taken, if it gets up that high. Okay, so we took 6. Those 6 are gone. In a moment or two, this will change. So we're not over adding, and we're protecting our position if it gets up there. There you go. You see it's changing now. All right, so the computer figured out that we only need 7 contracts. And you'll see again how we're short 3 here, but it's showing 4 here for some reason. Okay, so we took an extra contract there. We're just going to close the position. So far, our profit is $8,000. And we're just going to set up, wait for the next order. Okay, there we are, -10. We got filled on 10. In a moment or two, our targets will show up again, and we'll start the cycle all over. There you go. This is something that a human being just can't do. It just not, our mind just doesn't process. Our mind just doesn't process facts this fast. No, I mean, it's a computer. It does what it's told to do. As you can see, we're recalculating our orders up here if it gets up there. This is a good demonstration because we are trading right in this zone of the resistance levels, and we're getting a lot of action in the last half hour or so. And we can sit here in these other areas where we just won't trade, and sometimes our results are just hanging out. We're not doing anything, and we just set up another order. If it comes down this far into our support, this order will disappear, and we'll show 10 here. I'm going to stop this for now. We'll just for the purpose of time. And that's a pretty good demonstration on how the software works. Okay, a few moments have gone by, a few minutes, and this is just going to bleed down a little bit. We'll see what happens. I'm going to put this on pause again, the recording on pause, and update you as things start to happen. I'm going to try and save this for record this morning we have an announcement of the jobs numbers. It's Thursday morning, 8:30. When it should be a wild number, should be a wild action, and we'll see what happens. I'll try to record that. Our order 10 is still sitting here. If it gets down a little lower, it'll flip around and we'll be a buyer instead of a seller. These here are proprietary support and resistance. I mean, I know of no one that's calculating them the way I do. And as you can see, the action, we do pretty good. As time goes by, you'll see that these are pretty accurate numbers. Now it looks like we're going to come back up and take this 10 again. As we get closer, I'll start the recording. Starting to get some real serious pressure to the downside. Oh, there you go. That 10 just flipped over there. I don't know if that was caught on camera or not. But we no longer have our order up into the, where was it, 26 area. As you can see, that flipped down to a buy. The software sees the pressure, gets close to that level, and here's our buy at 11.1075. Our low overnight low so far was 11.1525, and looks like we might break that down. That might start to break down. I guess they're worried about these numbers that are coming out. These totals are from 6 o'clock last night. This is the action that we're able to take advantage of since 6 o'clock. We had a fabulous day yesterday. Was able to build some inventory and took advantage of it when the market reversed. Purpose of this is to scale into a position. We can buy a lot more. I feel that it's a good place to start with 10 contracts, and it does add up. I mean, if the market turns or some news comes out, it can add up quickly. So we kind of protect it, and we do all right. These are trading 10 contracts. Okay, it looks like we're coming into that, getting some real pressure. Be nice if it got taken, show the action on it. Something's going on. Here we go. We're going to take advantage. We're going to take advantage. All right. That was nice. There you go. We hit our support level, just found support. You saw that bounce. These are support lines that we calculate. The software does according to our variables and our parameters. And you see it came all the way down, hit our line, and just stopped dead. Amazing. We had our next level is quite a bit away. It's about 20 points away, our next support. There it is. And if it comes back down 10 here, we'll take it again. Sooner or later it does crash through. You know, we'll see some, you know, the numbers up here will show negative numbers, and it doesn't look good, but we will take advantage of the vibrations back and forth on the ES. All right, I'm going to stop this for a while, just save some time. It's amazing the way it hit that number and just bounced.